the IOCCC ping pong prize. Didn't we just have IOCCC pong? I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is a prize.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
EVP as a CCC.
It's very alliterative. So let's bring in the next party.
And the IOCCC Ping Pong Prize goes to Jonah Uellenberg from the United States.
And this is amazing. So this is the source code. And what you see here is, if you look at that, you see we have a paddle here. We have a paddle here. And we have a ball inside this program. Now, the try.sh script does the following. You take a program and compile it. It does what? It produces C code. Now, if you give it an argument of W, the paddle will go up. Of E, the paddle will go down. Otherwise, it continues. You are playing the computer. If you run the Quine prog, because the output is itself, kind of, it's a quasi-prime. If you give that Quine prog a key like W or E, it'll move your paddle. And if not, the ball continues to move. And it loops it over and over again. And so we can watch it happen. So here is the thing. You see it running where it's compiling itself, outputting itself, and running itself. The ball is moving. Every time it outputs C, which when you compile it is the new game state. And if you get arguments, you can move your paddle up and down, but you're battling against the computer. And if you end up losing, then you turn into this other thing where you can kind of jump over, kind of a Mario-ish thing where you can jump over stuff. There are other Easter eggs involved in here, but that program which compiles itself and displays itself gives you the game state, which can do other things that are truly all within that same program.
That's
I know you're shy.
That's definitely not Mario. You would anger some very litigious ninjas. That's Jumper Man. I'm pretty sure. Jumper Man.
I didn't say that. I didn't say. I was referring to one of my good Cisco colleagues whose name was Mario. And but there are challenges to write a try.sh script that detects when the quasi-prime left to its own devices, you don't do anything, will begin to repeat. It cycles through some stuff. So don't attempt to move from the paddle. Let the game run on its own, and the game will evolve into other modes. Your challenge is to detect when it cycles back to the original state of gateway. So write a try script that can do that.
Okay.
It is a really amazing piece of C code, which is quining itself, modifying itself with the game state. Every time is a valid C program, which is a valid C program for that state to produce forward. Wow.
I'm amazed just at the idea.
It's pretty crazy that it's outputting a new program and the program itself is the state. Wow. It's very, very, very impressive. Well, that being said, as impressed as I am, I want more.
Congratulations for your first winning entry, by the way. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Really tour de force. Amazing.